She got that good. She Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her.
Hey YouTube. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make slime. It's like really gross feeling, but it's actually slime. Looks fucked up right now. But look at that. Look at that. It's weird feeling slime. Well, I honestly can't show you how to make it, but I can tell you if you're one of them people who hear and learn. What you will need is a measuring cup, a fucked up looking one like mine, some Elmer's glue, make sure it has something in it, make sure it's half at least, use half the bottle, and you're going to need some laundry detergent. Okay, what you're going to want to do, take your stupid bowl, whatever, cute bowl, pretty bowl, ugly bowl, and I'm going to pretend I'm showing you. You're going to, put half of this in this. Oh, you also need a spoon. You're going to pour it in there, and then you're going to need a spoon. Anyways, you're going to need a spoon, and if you got all your glue in there, just put a little bit of Tide or whatever you have. I prefer Tide, it works really good. And make sure it's colored, because if it's not colored, you're going to need food coloring to color your slime. But yeah, after you put your glue in there, you're going to put a little bit of Tide in there, stir it around. If it still sticks to your skin, put more Tide in there and mix it until it doesn't stick to your skin. There you go, you have beautiful slime. Woo! I don't know. Oh, I almost dropped you guys. Okay, that wasn't on this video. I got a message. It says okay. Anyways. Hey YouTube. So I have question of the day today. What is the most craziest thing you could think of that would be good for this vlog? Oops. But yeah. I don't know. As y'all know, I'm the weirdest person alive. Not really, but I'm weird. I like fire and these little wax things. How many of you got one of these at home? How many of you just sit there and play in the hot wax? And then have this little weird wax stuff on your fingers, but when you bend it, it falls off. That way you don't get in trouble. I'm gonna put it back. Honestly, that's all I really wanted for the video was the slime, but I don't want you all to watch this video and just be like, oh, she's just doing slime, she's not doing it regular, oh. Well, shit. Ooh, I still don't have an idea. Okay. So, I'm sorry, I know I said I was going to keep this video going, but I'm really bored with this. I'm not bored with you, I'm just bored with making this right now because I'm tired. And, oh, parents are home.
Soldier boy, tell me. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot really get enough to issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't.